Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the screen mirroring issue on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First thing that we have to make sure the iPhone and your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then tap on settings and also make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. Better go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi on both devices and turn on back after a few seconds. We have to go back to settings, then tap general. Here we have to tap on AirPlay and hand off and tap on automatically AirPlay to TV and select automatic. Go back to general, tap soft update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Force close all the apps that are running in the background by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button to force restart your iPhone and also you restart your TV. This step, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then launch settings again. Here we have to tap on general, scroll fine and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting but no data or media will be deleted. Here we are going to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.